Okay, so here we have Crypto. Sit, Crypto. Slowly, Crypto. So we're going to take a look at his collar. All right, if you guys can see. Very soft. You got the hook for the actual metal piece here, so you could walk them. This is very soft rubber in. It's silicone pretty much, and it's waterproof. Perfect for him. He likes the actual collar. It doesn't bother him when he's eating, if you guys can see that. So he's ready to walk outside, but today it's a hot day. We'll take him out later. Especially the color we picked out. It's perfect for him. Let me see your color. Sit, sit. Good boy. Let me see your color. Sit, sit, sit. Let me see your color. I want to see your color. You're not gonna let me see your color.